Do you have a website, or are you on Shopify, ST, or you're selling a product and you don't know how to write a very strong description for your product? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write a strong bullet description for your product, because as we all know, a description is a description of a product, of any product, is the strongest of what people will look out to buy from individual. So another good news I have for you in this video is that you can actually use chat GPT to create that product description and also use it to make money and create a gig or open a Fiverr account. Okay, so watch this video to the end and you'll see the magic of how all these things is going to happen. And you want to make money in 2023, then you have to watch this to the end. Okay, thank you. Without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Cheers. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. So tech lovers, obviously I just signed into my account. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, you just need to sign up. It's free for now, and so let us make use of this to make extra income in 2023. So now I'll be going to Fiverr. So when you come to Fiverr and you click, you check, if you don't have a Fiverr account, I'm going to have my link in the description so you can create one for yourself. Okay, and if you need any tutorials on Fiverr, I have it on my video, so you can watch how to set up a Fiverr account. So now I'm going to search for product description. Okay, so basically we have, every business owners need product description. Even if you are on, if you have product on Amazon, you have product on st.com, you have product on WordPress, you have products on Wix, any of the websites you create, you need a product description. And people like me or some other people in the world, they come to Fiverr and they look for people in this niche. Okay, and there is 9,905 services available. You can either decide to be a product description person for Amazon or Shopify or WordPress, and you write description. I'm going to show you example for this. Like for example, this person Shopify, this is a basic niche and it says Shopify product description. So let's click on it, and this is it. And is actually, the basic price is $7 Canadian, $7.12 Canadian dollars. And she says, I'm going to write one short, sweet, and captivating description, contact bundle. Right, then the standard is $14, and it's going to be a one-time powerful attention grabber, informative and educative, SEO optimized, contact for bundle. Okay, then the premium is $21.37 Canadian dollars, and it's going to be 350 words. Okay, this is 250 words for the standard, and for the basic it is 150 words. And as you can see, this person has 3 orders in queue and 254 reviews. Okay, and you might want to create this for yourself. So now I'm going to show us an example. Let me check for Amazon. Right. So this person says, I'm going to write top Amazon listing SEO product description. Okay, and as you can see, this is the banner. You can create something like this for yourself. You can also do your research personally. And this person is charging, this person has 6,446 reviews and he has 20 orders in queue. Wow, this is interesting. And I think this person just have just one did just one seller, like one price. I can't find like basic, standard, and premium here. So it says full SEO Amazon listing that is going to do it for 92.559 Canadian dollars, and delivery date 3 days, unlimited version. And it says, let's see what it includes. Okay, this is how you did this one. It said basic is $92.59, and yeah, I think it created just the basic price, which is not bad. Okay, so let's see if I can, let me see if I can check another one for us to see. Let's say Shopify, let's say Amazon product description. I want Amazon product description. So this one says Amazon boost your sales, outstanding Amazon description, right? And I will write Amazon product description for Amazon listing. So let's click on it. And this person has 1,185 reviews and 2 others in queue. And it has basic, standard, and premium price. The basic price is 49.85 Canadian dollars, and the standard price is 78.34 Canadian dollars, and premium is 106.83 Canadian dollars. So as you can see, for one product, one title, 250 words. For the basic, for the standard is 400 words, and for the premium is 800 words. Okay, so now let's go to our chat box, and we're going to use this as a case study. Okay, we're going to use this as a case study. You don't have to crack your brain for anything. Technology have made life easy for us in 2023. Okay, so we're going to use this Apple AirPod as our case study. Okay, and as you can see, it's going to give you some bullet points, right? So as you can see, this is a product description, and it's very direct and very simple, right? So I just want to give us an example of if you have something like this on Amazon, on Fiverr, and you decide to, instead of you cracking your brain, you come to ChatGPT and you come here, and you're going to write products. I need a strong bullet points for Appleboard product description. All right, right. Let's do it like this. Write a strong bullet point. Write a product description with a strong bullet point for Apple. Okay, and voila. I think there's an error. I need to, in some cases like this, we will need to refresh, because I've been using it for a while. So let's refresh. I'll be back. So we're gonna refresh. So I write a strong product description for Apple AirPod. Then I put enter. As you can see, it's writing Apple AirPod are ultimate wireless earphone with their silk and discreet design. They are perfect for those who want to stay connected and on the go. Featuring Bluetooth technology, the headphone can be paired with any devices that support Bluetooth, including iPhone, iPad, and even Android devices. So this is it. And if you read this and you're not satisfied with it, then you can regenerate respond. Okay, and all you have to do after this is the Apple AirPod are revolutionary wireless AirPod system that allows you to listen to music, make phone calls, and access Siri and free, all just a simple tap, right? So yeah, it has written this for us, and all you need to do is highlight. You can look for the one that is very strong, depending on the product you want to write the product description, and you just highlight it like this, right? You highlight it like this, and you copy. Okay, you copy and you come to your doc, right? We're going to create a new file for this. You create a new doc, right? And you upload it, you paste it, and after you paste it, all you need to do is come to this place and you save it. You share this email. No, yeah, you can email this file, right? And you can email it as PDF. You put the email address. You can put a message if you want a subject, and you can either email it as PDF or Microsoft Word to your customer. Okay, and you get your money. You charge me money. So this is so simple to learn. Thank you for watching. I hope you gained value from this. Lovers, we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you gained value from this video. So tell me, are you going to start creating, or are you going to start making money with product description, any type of product description? Why not use my link in the description and sign up for your Fiverr account and get started with this? If you have any question, any further question, please ask or comment your questions in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you. Watch others of my videos, and if you're getting value from this video, please kindly like this video, share it out, and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.